Good morning, sir. My name is T. Pawan Kumar. I am from Computer Science and Engineering Department from Section E. Today I am submitting my CA2 assignment and my topic is about chain growth and step growth polymerization. Now we have to know what is polymerization. Polymerization is a chemical process that combines small molecules called monomers into larger, more complex structures known as polymers. There are two primary types of polymerization: chain growth and step growth. Understanding these differences between these two methods is essential for material science and polymer chemistry. Overview of chain growth polymerization. Chain growth polymerization involves the sequential addition of monomers to a growing polymer chain. This process typically requires an initiator to start the reaction, leading the information reactive sites. Chain growth can result in higher molecular weight polymers with specific properties due to the rapid addition of monomers. Mechanism of chain growth polymerization. The mechanism involves three key steps: initiation, propagation, and termination. During initiation, an initiator reacts with a monomer to create reactive radical or ion. Propagation occurs as the reactive site adds new monomers, extending the polymer chain until termination occurs. Types of chain growth polymerization. Chain growth polymerization can be categorized into free radical, ionic, and coordination polymerization. Free radical polymerization is the most common, using free radicals to initiate the reaction. Ionic polymerization involves either cationic or anionic mechanisms, each with distinct characteristics. Here we take a monomer C2F4 and it forms by the help of polymerization into a Teflon material, polytetrafluoroethylene. Properties of chain growth polymers. Chain growth polymers often exhibit high molecular weights and specific mechanical properties. The structure and arrangement of monomers significantly influence the polymer's thermal and physical attributes. Examples include polyethylene, polystyrene, and polyacrylate, each with unique applications. Here we take linear polymers, branched polymers, cross-linked polymers, and network polymers as example. Each example is exhibiting each structure. Overview of step growth polymerization. Step growth polymerization involves the reaction between bifunctional or multifunctional monomers. The reaction is between the bifunctional or multifunctional monomers. Unlike chain growth, the reaction can occur between any two molecular species, not just at the ends of the growing chain. This type of polymerization typically leads to a gradual increase of molecular weight over time. In this reaction, molecular weight can be increased over time. Mechanism of step growth polymerization. The process consists of two main reactions: condensation and addition. In condensation, polymerization, small molecules like water are eliminated during the formation of the polymer. Addition polymerization does not eliminate any byproducts and occurs through the direct linkage of monomers. Here we take again C2F4 as monomer. After polymerization, Teflon is formed and the ends of the Teflon remains constant. Here we want to know characteristics of step growth polymers. Step growth polymers generally have lower molecular weights at the initial stages compared to chain growth polymers. Their properties can be significantly affected by the ratio of reactants and polymerization conditions. Common examples include polyesters, polyamides, and polyethanes, widely used in textiles and plastic industries. Now we want to compare the chain and step growth polymerization. Chain growth polymerization typically results in polymers with high molecular weights or kick more than Step growth. Step growth requires the reaction of functional groups and can lead more diverse architectures. The choice between the two methods depend on desired polymer characteristics and end-use applications. In step growth polymerization, two steps are involved, that are condensation and addition. But in the chain growth polymerization, it does not involve any processes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity to me.